Taking a little break to drink my coffee and mention the inspo and sponsor for this video, which is Skillshare, an online learning community where you can take thousands of creative courses to further your personal growth or a specific skill set. I've been using Skillshare for a couple of years now, and while I usually focus on the film and video section to improve my editing, sometimes I just like to browse randomly on the site, hoping to find an idea for a new video. I searched up coffee and found this class called Cold Brew Coffee Swirl, Tips for Capturing the Perfect Pour by Tabitha Park. And it gave me the inspiration to try and make my own aesthetically pleasing iced drinks now that the weather is heating up. I really enjoyed this class, not only because it was about coffee, but there was also a helpful setup and shoot section focusing on framing, props, and lighting that I tried to apply while I was filming. So this was perfectly suited to me. If you want to check it out, you can sign up with my exclusive discount and you'll get 3 months free. It's the best deal that they've ever offered. I'll have a link in the description as well as all of the details so you can start exploring your creativity today. Now let's get back to making the rest of the drinks.